All right, everybody, we have made it down to McClains. The second time we've been out here, and it's another car show today. It's Labor Day. So let's get in here and take a look and see what we can get into. And that thing's clean. Lee. It's clean.
Joe always shows up. Hey, I'll holler.
Nah, maybe in a minute. That looks like bank. Hold on, sister.
I need to see that Bronco. Put that Bronco down.
It's yours?
Yes, sir.
It's a good looking Willis.
Yeah, I beat your weather off. This is a 1952 Willis 1-ton pickup, 4-wheel drive. Actually sold as a civilian truck in Vicksburg, Mississippi. And it has the original F-134 engine in it. It's been a ground frame off restoration all the way. It took me about 18 months to do it.
Upgrades have you done?
Actually, I wanted to keep it completely, try to keep it stock as it was from the factory. So everything you see is factory. It's still got the 6-volt system in it. The only thing that I had to change out was the radiator. And of course the paint is very close. It was a forest type green, but I wanted to do a base coat, clear coat. So I tried to match it as close, so the paint's a little off. But other than that, it's all original.
And I noticed you look like you had upgraded and done a little bed liner in the back.
Yeah, I just actually cleaned it all up and sprayed it with bed liner. That's all I did. And then I don't know if you can get to the inside or not, because all the interior has been reupholstered.
Beautiful truck. I appreciate you talking with me.
Man, I thank you.
Watch the stuff here, but you'll really feel good. If I get it in. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of women driving the car.
Well, that would be her.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be her.
That's like that song about the Corvette. Who is it?
George Jones.
Yeah, George Jones, but the Corvette.
Yeah.
That's pretty. Will do. What is it in?
US car.
What a weird.
You done yours?
Nah, I don't do that generally. I'm just doing my walk around right now. And y'all are welcome to go get it and and check it off. It's on the front seat of the car.
And they had one that they had lighted up so
In
bad.
fact-
They called it the Swiss cheese Catalina. They actually had holes in the frame all the way down for the lights to move.
It was drizzling just a minute ago, but it stopped.
It drizzled on us all the way here.
I saw it on the way in. I saw it on the way in.
DJ Dave here had a request. And by the way, again, food is up and going. Get your tickets. Get up here to the ticket booth. And while you're up here, make sure to get your ballots for People's Choice. Now again, they are $1, but come on. All of this is going to All Things New. All Things New. Can you?
I'm Tony Sanangelo. The car is a 1964 Porsche 356 SC. The SC was the most powerful push rod engine they made to date. A 4-cylinder, that is. And it's a 4-wheel disc brake car. It's got sway bars on the front, a camber bar on the back, adjustable shocks. It was the hot rod of the day. It'll go about 120 miles an hour. It's about 95 horsepower, weighs 2,000 pounds. That's kind of the stats on it. I'll walk around it a little bit for you. Again, disc brakes. This wheel will fit on a late model 911, or a 911 wheel would bolt up, but it wouldn't fit under the fender because there's no space. Car's got about a 40-year-old paint job on it. It's got dings, it's got scratches, it's got bumps, but it's got a nearly original interior. The seats have been done, the door channels, door panels, dashboard, headliner, rubber mats. It's even got a place where the heel's been worn out. That's original rubber mats right there. Anyway, and the carpet's been scruffed off on it. So I mean, it's basically an original interior car other than the seats. The headliner's never been down. Rear window's never been out. It's a good reference car. I drive it. It goes places. It's been to Daytona, Atlanta, Porsche driving school at Barber Motorsports, Barber Historic Rally, 1 year only invitational, Virginia International Raceway, the Millie 2011, that's for cats and dogs rescue, all the Eurofest stuff. A friend gave me that vintage Daytona sticker, and of course, I'm a cancer survivor at this point, and that's why we got the cancer ring on there. The the newest accessory is the small Porsche surfboard. It came from the Pearl River Surf Shop, and I thought everybody might like it on the back of the car. This is actually a luggage ski rack. You put skis right there in a suitcase in the middle. I'll show you the engine. Oh, the tag. Take a look at it. Try to figure it out. Most people can't. If you've got a digital watch on and it was 4 minutes till 4, on your watch it would say 356. That's the model of this car. It's a 356.
Gotcha.
This is the stock engine, the low restriction rock catcher air filters. That's all it'll catch is rocks. As it came, 95 horsepower, 1600 cc's, dual exhaust through the bumpers, dead standard. Nothing's really been changed other than we lowered the compression ratio, and the car now runs on regular. I lost about 5, maybe 6 horsepower, no big deal. But again, goes places. If you look at the windshield, everybody goes, "What's this?" I said, well, this is Boca Raton for the Porsche Club National Show, and those are all infield parking passes for Daytona. What else would you like me to tell you about the car?
So how many miles a year do you think you drive the car?
I drive the car between 5,000 and 7,000 miles a year. It's been to Atlanta driven, it's been to Birmingham a bunch of times. I probably got 90 laps on the track at Birmingham in this car. It's so slow, everybody goes, well, do you get light going over the rise? I said, the car's too slow to get light going over the rise. It's so slow, I can roll the window down, honk the horn, and wave when I go by the pits. Everybody laughs about that, me honking the horn and waving. I said, it's like brrrr, shift, brrrr. Not a very fast car by standards today, but a fun car.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you sharing your car with me.
That's my story. Thank you so much.
I mean, that's for everything. That's for the kids' stuff. That's for the food. That's for everything. And remember, all proceeds going to All Things New. So again, get back there and get your tickets. Somebody asked me earlier. It is right behind me. Again, right behind me. Get your red tickets. They're going to put...
My name is David Frederick from Brandon, Mississippi. This is a 1932 Chevrolet coupe body that was chopped in on the back, and my brother-in-law, Adam Strength, out of Raymond, Mississippi, built this truck with a custom frame, custom chassis, as a tribute to my late wife, Rita Frederick, who passed away last year. And so it's a bare metal with a matte finish over the top. It has a small block Chevrolet 383 stroker engine in it, 350 transmission. Has a monoleaf front end and a dirt track style rear end. He's a dirt track racer and builds this stuff as a hobby, as a way to unwind in his spare time. We're big fans of going to cruising the coast in Mississippi, and he built a truck for his wife to burn out in, and my wife loved it so much that he wanted to build one for us. And she passed away, and he made this a tribute to her. So it's got all old wormwood style bed on it. You know, we have a company here where we sell lawn equipment in Brandon, Mississippi, and so they did it as a retro service truck theme. So it's got our antique style logo on it with a little lawnmower in the middle of the sales and service. And I have a few other little enhancements planned for it, more along the theme of the business that we'll be doing here soon. So it's got custom access to the back bed for storage, fuel cell. You can see the modified rear end here with the dirt track set up, coilovers, you know, all the suspension work. It rides good, it drives good. It's a very unique vehicle. Catches a lot of attention already, and this is just my first voyage away from home in it. So we plan on parking this in front of the store from time to time as a showpiece to kind of attract attention, and you know, may do a few other promotional events with it. But it's a lot of fun.
All right, well, I appreciate you showing me your truck, man.
You're welcome. Thank you for what you do.
All right, and then the Mac Daddy here. Best of show. It's a 1953 root beer Ford F100. Look at that.
Look at there.
Tore up the awards today, didn't you? Congratulations. You're very welcome. Thank you for coming.
Get a couple more shots.
Paddle it! I don't know how to do all that.
Just stomp on it.
Stomp on it.
Close enough. She tried.
She put in the effort. I'm gonna tell her she might do better next time.
Yeah.
She tried. Yeah. She was a little nervous. Yeah.
He might. Thank you. All right, well, I believe that's going to wrap us up here at the McClains Labor Day Car Show. Don't know if we got any more car shows coming up anytime soon, with the exception of we're going back to cruising the coast. So until that video can come out, why don't you go watch another one coming on the screen right now.